Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn English chapter 19, that is be a good host and guest. What do you mean by host? Host means what? The one who arranges the party is called as host, and the guest, one who is invited, that is called as guest. So let us see what is there in this chapter. We all love to get together with our friends and have fun, as we all love parties with our friends and having fun. So in this chapter also we will be doing the same thing. We like our favorite dishes even better when we share them with our friends. Sometimes we used to bring our favorite dishes and we find it very much proud to share with them and have the lunch together. So we all love parties. You may have attended parties or you may have even given some. So many times you have went for the birthday parties and many times you have went for the parties. So what do you think makes a good party? So what all things make a good party? If you are arranging a party, what all things you will do to make your party awesome and good? Expensive and fancy clothes, costly decorations or rich food. But is it that all makes people happy? So when you are arranging the party, so what do you think that party should be? How party should be? How party should be? Like expensive and fancy clothes should be there, costly decorations should be there, or high-fi food should be there. This makes the people happy. Let us see what makes the people happy. A good party is where both the host and guest enjoy themselves and are happy. So a good party is where the both host and guest are enjoying their party time and they are enjoying and they are happy. It should be a memorable in a good way. So how a party should be? In that a host, the one who has arranged the party and the one who has arrived for the party, the both should be happy and it should be a memorable for everyone. Then only it will be a good party. So let us see what is there in this chapter. Explanation. Raju, shall we have a surprise party for Grandpa on his 61st birthday? What Raju is telling, he is sharing, he wants a surprise birthday for his grandpa. Okay. So he wants to give a surprise birthday party for his grandpa on his 61st birthday party. So now, that's a good idea. He will be very happy. But let us consult our parents and grandma also. So Sonam, what Sonam is telling, that whatever you have said, that was a good idea. It was a brilliant idea that we should do his surprise birthday party. But before arranging the surprise birthday party, what we have to do? We have to consult. What do you mean by consult? We should ask a permission from our parents and grandma also, that we should keep the birthday party or not. Raju, I am sure they all will like the idea. We all can meet our relatives and friends on this occasion. So what Raju is telling, I am very much sure that they will love my idea and they will arrange the birthday party. They will not tell us that we should not do the birthday party. They will like my idea and they will do the birthday party, and because of this we can meet our relatives and our friends also on this birthday party. Papa, let's party. Shall we have a surprise birthday party for Grandpa on his 61st birthday? So now what Sonam is telling, that Papa, we should have a party, a surprise birthday party for Grandpa on his 61st birthday. Father, oh, what an idea. Then let us have it on Sunday, same day, that is on 21st December on his birthday. So what Father is telling, that it was an awesome idea, it was a good idea, and we will be doing that on the same day, which is on 21st December on his birthday only. We should arrange the birthday party on his birthday only, that is on 21st December only. should we have the party? Then they were deciding that if we are arranging the birthday party, so where should we keep the party? Mother, of course at home. We shall together make necessary changes in the living room. So of course we will make the party and we will be doing the party at our home only, in the living room only, and we will do some changes to make the guests properly comfortable. Okay. It will be convenient for all our relatives too. That means they know our house, they don't need to search for the addresses. Everyone knows our houses, so they can come easily. They don't have to find out the addresses. So it will be easy for all the guests. Grandmother, that's right. First of all, we have to make a list of people. So if we are arranging a birthday party, so what we have to do? We have to first make the list that to whom we are going to invite. So first what they are doing? They are making the list of the people to whom we want to invite for the party, and then accordingly we will plan the menu. So what first thing they are doing? They are making the list of the people to whom they want to invite for the birthday party, and then they will select the menu. Menu means food. Father, yes, I'll make a list. Till then you all decide the menu. So what they are doing? Father was telling that I will make the list to whom we all have to invite, and then we will decide that till that time we all can decide the menu, what all things we have to keep in the food. Mother, let's keep it simple. We will keep one welcome drink and some snacks with it. So what mother is telling? That first we will do the welcome drink and then we will give some snacks to them. Grandma, since it's a winter season, we can keep soup also. So what grandma is telling, that is a winter season, cold season. So hot soup will be very much good for all the relatives. So we'll keep a hot soup also. Raju and Sonam, we want one vegetable with paneer and of course ice cream in dessert. So what Raju and Sonam is telling, that we want for eating also one vegetable with paneer. I want in food item, I want one vegetable with paneer and ice cream in dessert. We all love ice cream, so they also want ice cream in their menu. Oh mother, okay then. Tomato soup, salad, pickle, a vegetable with paneer, a mixed vegetable. So all these items they used to keep in the menu. Vegetable pulao, gulab jamun and ice cream. Our menu is done. So now they have decided what all things they will keep in the menu. They will keep a vegetable pulao, they will keep a gulab jamun, ice cream for their dinner. Father, I am also ready with the list and the format of the invitation. Now father is also ready with the list that whom all the members he wants to invite and with the format of the invitation. I am going to send a message on cell phone so that everybody will know the occasion. So now that invitations he will be sending on the cell phones only, that everyone should know about the occasion. When and where it will be held, that is the day, time and place will be well in advance. So everyone should be ready in well advance that on this particular day we have to go for the occasion or for the party. So everyone should be well prepared before only. Because of that they are sending the message prior only, so that our guests can make it possible. See the format of the invitation. Dear all, we have arranged a surprise birthday party for Daddy on 21st December on the occasion of his 61st birthday. You are cordially invited to celebrate the occasion at our residence at 6 p.m. with your family. Thanks. So this was the format that he has made. So in that what he has given, he has mentioned that there is a surprise birthday. On which date? On 21st December. And what was the occasion? The occasion was his grandpa 61st birthday. And invited, everyone is invited at their residence. Residence means at their home, and timing has also been mentioned that कितने बजे होने वाला है. So you can see the format. This was the format for the invitation. Let's have some games and music too. So when the people will come, they will get bored. So for that, they have arranged some games also. So now we will chalk out the program, the exact sequence of events. So now how the program should be done. In starting what they have to do, in middle what they have to do, and at the end what they have to do. This was the sequence they were planning. Father, we will start with games, common party games like musical chair. So what they have done, they have started with the games. Now common party games like musical chair will be the first game. Guessing game, carriage, treasure hunt, or pin the tail of the donkey, etc. So these were the different games that you have planned, where we can involve all of them so that nobody can get bored. So there were many games that nobody should get bored. For that they have arranged many of the games. We will have only one game. And what about the decoration? So what mother is telling, no, we will not be playing many games, we will be playing only one game. And what about the decoration? How we will decorate our house? I will arrange music for the games of musical chair, and don't worry about decoration. Mama, Raju and I have already planned for it. So what Sonam is telling, that I will be doing music arrangement for the musical chair, and about the decoration you just don't get worried, don't panic. Raju have planned for that what will be the decoration and how we will be doing the decoration. On the big thermocol sheet we are going to write happiest 61st birthday dear grandpa. Birthday dear grandpa, you use letter and will decorate the same with paints and glitter. So how we will decorate? We will write in a big paper happiest 61st birthday dear grandpa in a used letter, and we will paint it and we will do the glitter on that. Yeah, ma, that's nice. Let's work together and make this event the happiest moment. So what grandma is telling, you have a good idea. Now we'll all make this together and make the party, this moment, memorable and happiest. But take care that grandpa should not know about this, because it is a surprise party. So everyone should take care that grandpa should not know anything about this. It should be surprise only. Very secretly we have to work. Shall we ask grandpa to be at Atya's house? So what else things we are doing? We should be doing very secretly. We should not know anything about this. So we will tell grandpa to go at Atya house at that time. For 2 days before the party, so that this party will be real surprise for him. So before 2 days only, we will send our grandpa to Atya house. That means Pupi, father's sisters. So we will send grandpa to his sister house, so that we can arrange the party and we can decorate the party and we'll make a real surprise for him. I will take him to sister's house on 19th and will inform her not. And I will tell my sister also that not to inform her about the surprise birthday party. Disclose about the invitation for the birthday party. I will tell her that not to disclose anything. That is, bring grandpa directly on 21st evening at sharp 6 p.m. on the party day only. Are you all ready? Guests will start arriving. So on the party day, guests are about to come. Till then, I will check all the arrangements, decorations and games, food and everything else. Mother. Raju and Sonam, you will greet the guests when they arrive. So mother have said Raju and Sonam that you have to greet the guests. You have to make them inside and you have to invite the guests. Okay. Raju and Sonam. Yes, but what if we don't know someone? So what they are telling, if we don't know someone, what we should do? Mother, that's very easy. Just introduce yourself and welcome them with a smiling face. If you don't know someone and they have came, so what you have to do? You don't have to say anything. You just introduce yourself that aap kaun ho, and then you have to give a smile and welcome them. Okay. I think somebody has come. Raju and Sonam. Welcome Grandpa, welcome Atya, welcome Sai. So now they are welcoming each and everyone. First of all, the Grandpa has cake. Grandpa, it's anything special today? You both are wearing new clothes. So now Grandpa have came and Grandpa is telling, is there anything special? He is asking to Sonam and Raju. So you both have wore a new clothes today. So is there something special? Are you going out somewhere? All together start greeting Grandpa with birthday wishes. So now everybody together started wishing Grandpa. All together, happy birthday Grandpa. So now Grandpa, wow, great, what a pleasant surprise. So now Grandpa is also surprised by them that they have given a surprise to him and he was very much happy. Grandpa, children have planned this surprise party for you. So Grandma is telling to Grandpa that this small children have arranged this and they have even invited our relatives also for this birthday party. Welcome uncle, welcome auntie, hi Roma, how are you? So now they are welcoming each and every guest. Mother and father are busy serving the soup. Everyone is serving the soup. Raju and Sonam, hello Maushi, hello Kaka. So now each and every relatives are coming and they are welcoming them. They are greeting them. Hello children, both of you are looking pretty. Please feel comfortable and enjoy the soup. So now others are, father and mother is giving the soup. Grandma, let's call everybody for the game. Now whatever they have arranged, they have started. Just a minute, let me arrange for the chairs and keep the music ready. So what father is telling? Then just wait a second, I will arrange the chairs and we'll start with the music. Then we'll start playing. I will play and stop the music, Papa. All participate in the game and then winner get a surprise gift. So they have arranged a game and even they have surprised a gift also. Papa, now we will cut the cake all together near the table where the delicious cake is kept. Now the cake ceremony was going on. Cake was in the center on the table. Grandpa cut the cake while others singing a birthday song for him, wishing him a long life. Now Grandpa was cutting the cake. Everyone was singing the birthday song. All must be hungry. Shall we start serving food? Now what mother was telling? अभी सबको भूख लग रही होगी. तो Grandpa, yes, sure. We start with serving the food. Everyone started taking food. Mother, father, and Grandma see to it all. That's all. Have taken everything in their plates and they serve them politely. Atya, food is very tasty. I will take more gulab jamun. So what Atya is telling? That food was very tasty and I want one more gulab jamun. The party was really enjoyable. You all have made good arrangements. So now what Kaka is telling? The party was enjoyable and memorable. And now you all have arranged the party very nicely. The arrangement was very good. On the day of the party, what all things we have to do? We should be punctual and rich in time. If there is any work to be done, offer to help. Be friendly with the others. Participate in the programs and give willingly. Appreciate the food and the arrangement honestly, positively. Don't waste food. When it is time to leave, don't forget to approach the host and say goodbye. Later on also, let your host know how much you enjoy the party. So on the day of party, all these things you should be doing. You should not be late on the party. You should be very much punctual. You should, whatever the work is there, if you need to do that, you should do that work. You should be very much friendly. गुस्सा होके कोने में जाकर नहीं बैठना है. जो भी गेम हो रहा है, you have to willingly participate in the game. And you should be very much honestly enjoy the party. Whatever the food is there, you should not waste the food. How much you are needed, that much only you have to take the food. And while leaving, you should go to the host who have given the party. You should meet him and you should say how much you have enjoyed the party. So what is the summary? The success of a party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. Be you a host or a guest, do all you can boast it. So how can be a successful party? First of all, you have to arrange it properly and you have to enjoy with the friends. Thank you.